this is Yunalia. Hi! So I am here at home, outside in the backyard, alone, because my parents went off on a cruise. But I'm not really alone because my grandmother is here. And these damn squirrels are like jumping off the roof and onto a tree and just like flipping out and everything like that. So, anyways, moving on. So, yeah, I've been practicing shooting my bow. As you can see, there's one arrow that is unusable. I think I lost one arrow or something like that. I'm going to get more. I'm going to buy more. But anyways, so I've been doing that. I've also been role-playing on Feral Heart. I've also been drawing some. I have been looking after my grandmother since she came here because she has this scratch on her eye that's healing still. So I've been making sure she's been okay. That tree is really, these trees are really leaning. Oh yeah, they're getting their summer fruit. Yeah. Every summer we get these pears. Interesting bird. So this tree is laden with pears, and we're gonna probably pick them tomorrow. I mean, I don't know when we're gonna pick them, but yeah, this tree is leaning entirely over. Oh, that's a lot of bend. Anyways, so that's gonna be happening. I am planning on laying out. My mom and dad think I'm trying to get a job. Not really the case. I am not going to be getting a job or another job because I can never land a job. Ooh, hi spider. Didn't know you were sitting there. Okay. Anyways, yeah, my parents took my video camera with them on the trip, so I hope they bring it back. I hope nothing happens while they're gone. There's some interesting things that happened on the plane ride that they had. People were diligent, and caused a ruckus and was arrested and taken off the plane when they landed. So, yeah, they're going up to Alaska or something like that. Yeah, Alaska. It's gonna be cold. I told them it's gonna be cold. So, yeah. This is gonna be a very quick video, really quick. So I hope y'all enjoy it. My video card on my computer is shot. I need a new one, like a lot. I can't do, I can't do YouTube or any kind of video stuff. But I am currently trying to make videos again. But yeah, I figured out how to convert the videos that I take on this phone and place it on the computer to edit it and such. So good for me. Good for me. But yeah, after this video, there's gonna be a clip to watch of me and my cousin. So look out for it. It's really fun. It's really amusing. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy seeing me again. I really missed y'all. I missed how I couldn't do videos much anymore because of the YouTube or my computer. I don't know when I'm going to get done. I don't have any money right now. That's for one thing, and yeah. So, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye. Oh my gosh. There's two birds out here mating. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
What? 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 What?
Get it out. Get it off of me.
What? Y'all are having cheese, aren't y'all? Y'all are getting cheese. Y'all are getting cheese. Why are y'all having cheese for breakfast? Can y'all understand this? They're having cheese for breakfast. Cheese. Because they don't want breakfast. They don't want anything natural. Look at the cheese. Ow. My hair. My hair. Would you stop? Oh my goodness. They having cheese. What? What? Oh goodness. Why are you having cheese for breakfast? It's not a very healthy thing, isn't it? It's not healthy. It's not healthy. They're putting me in the closet. Oh my gosh, they're in the closet. I'm in a closet.
Now it's all for me. Yeah.
Be gentle, guys.
Now we can get all we want. Papa.
Dad, don't break these. Don't break these.
You're locked in forever, ever.
Guess what? I have all the food in the house in this closet.
Oh, get out!
No. Oh, the abuse I go through.
Get off that get her phone!
No!
Get her phone!
No, my phone! Not my phone, not my phone, not my phone!
I got you!
Ow, my finger, ouch. You trying to break my finger?
Yeah.
Why?
My God! We just said, give us a phone! Yeah!
I don't have to give you anything.
Get up!